Welcome back. Today, I'm going to go through another series by rental property in this fast growing Texas boomtown. And today's presentation, we can talk this particular city, Mabank, Texas. That's right, Mabank, Mabank. If you don't know about this particular city, you're going to find out in the next 15 minutes. Here we go. Without further ado, so look, I've done these videos fairly often. Let me quickly just go over this high level first, then I will give you more details. Actually, there are 3,000 counties and 19,000 cities in the country. And the top half, let me just say this, half of the top 15 fastest growing cities in the country, according to U.S. Census Bureau, are located in North Texas. And this data, this information alone is such mind-boggling, is unprecedented. In 2020 to 2023, look at the percentage growth. These small little towns are exploding. It's just exponentially. These small towns are exploding exponentially. Jobs, population growth, more jobs, and migration. The whole 9 yards is spreading like wildfire. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. So if you want to invest in cash flow turnkey properties for future rental cash flow and appreciation, this is the market. There's no other market anywhere in the country now or in future that can even come close in terms of opportunities. So get in early. That's all I have to say. The latest Census Bureau, May 2025. That's right. Here it is. The 15 fastest growing cities from July 2023 to July 2024 is again Princeton, Texas. Look at all these in North Texas. I'm not going to go over this. Digest on your own. And we have great to give you some excitement. We have off-market turnkey single-family home in Princeton, Texas, the fastest growing city in the country, for only $230K. It rents for what? How much it rents for? I lost track. It rents for $1,750. You put 30% down payment, and you gotta have a monthly cash flow. It's $442. This is just absolutely amazing. Look at the builder incentive. Which North Texas city will be the fastest growing in the next few years? We don't know, but I know you just throw a dot in the North Texas Google map, and you will probably come up with an answer in the next few years. According to the latest 2024 U.S. Census Bureau data, 50% of the top 15 fastest growing cities in the country are located in the cluster of 75-mile radius cluster of each other, which is North Texas. Look at this, all these little towns you may not know about right now, but in the next few years, they could be number one in the fastest growing cities in the country. Look at all this. I would say, I don't have a precise number, but I have to say around 30 of these small little cities, in addition to the one I just shared with you, are the fastest growing boom towns in the country, right here in the cluster, concentrated in this small little region. Not small. North Texas is huge. The DFW Metroplex is absolutely huge. A lot of room for growth. It's just amazing. Everything. Jobs, and more jobs. High-tech jobs, low-tech jobs, medium-tech jobs, all type of industries. It's just totally mind-boggling. This is the gold mine. This right now is a tip of the iceberg. You better pay attention. You better focus and understand what I'm sure. Share that with you, because things are moving very fast. If you snooze, you lose. Did I say it right? If you snooze, you lose. You need to create a sense of urgency. So if you are motivated real estate investor, mom and pop, wherever you are located in the country, doesn't matter where you're located in the country, you can have an opportunity to participate in this exponential, mind-boggling historical housing market growth that I have ever seen, because I've been doing it for several decades, and I have mentored hundreds of students, investors, and coaching clients to achieve their wealth in different markets in the country using this new construction growth market investment model. You think I'm exaggerating? I don't care. I'm not exaggerating. I'm showing you the data. I'm showing you this pure, precise, verifiable data and trends. I've done all this advanced work for you. By the way, there's more. One more time. DFW Metroplex is also the Silicon Valley of the South, the Wall Street of the South, financial hub, Silicon Valley, high tech, low tech, everything, mind blowing growth. I'm not gonna go over about all this. You just pause the screenshot on your own and digest everything I'm sharing with you on this presentation. Okay? Mind boggling. Texas is catching up with California. Who would have figured that? Look at the economic engine, that massive economic engine of DFW. All the growth, all the corporations, high-tech companies, low-tech companies are moving in North Texas. That's what's happening because Texas welcome business from other places, and the growth will continue. A lot of companies, a lot of jobs. That's all I have to say. And furthermore, this is more. Denison, Barnum, Greenville, and Sherman, they have been growing in the past 4 years exponentially, and they will continue to grow. We're talking cash flow and appreciation. Look at Sherman. Several high-tech companies with thousands of high-tech jobs are moving into this small city of 45,000 people, 1 hour north of Dallas for DFW. Suburban growth. So just in 2024 alone, this North Texas of 3 counties, Grayson County, Collin, and Hunt County, already grew 5 to 10% in terms of median home prices. Look at the median prices so low. That's why investors buy entry-level homes, and you can cash flow. You can buy low-price entry-level homes, and you can cash flow with 20 to 25 to 30% down payment. So that is your blueprint. Hey, look, if this area have grown, appreciated 5 to 10% last year, 2024, imagine this year, 2025, it's going to continue. I don't see any other way to say this. It's so obvious. Small town, that's a faster growing. Small city, rural, is the faster growing in the future in the country, not just in North Texas. We're talking boom town. There's so many, you can hear me say the word boom town quite often for the foreseeable future when you watch my videos, because it is. This is my criteria I've been using for many years, like I said, and it's not going to change. So this North Texas have all these metrics, all these criteria that I look for. Again, you can pause the screenshot and digest these highlights yourself, and it just makes so much sense. It check all the boxes for you as an investor, whether you're a beginner or whether you're a savvy investor. And if you have the capital, why not? Why not create generational wealth for yourself and your family long term? Once again, we have all the inventory we have is off market. It's not available to the public. It's not in a multiple listing service. We have relationship with national and local builders in many markets, not many, several markets over the years, and North Texas are no exception. So that's what we do. We work very closely with those builders that will provide us with the off-market inventory for our network investors. And you can participate if you follow the few conditions, which I will go over later on this presentation. This week's off-market listings, again, you never heard of Mabank, but you will. So the sooner you get in to one of these boom towns that we have investment opportunities on a weekly and monthly basis, the better. So that's how you diversify your portfolio based on your available capital, of course. Maban, Texas, 3-bedroom, 2 baths, brand new, 1,250 square foot, just barely over 205,000. It rents for 1,575. Annual cash flow 4,286. So your monthly cash flow is almost $400, which is pretty amazing. All the numeric metrics, you can digest this pro forma 3-year projection and what have you, all the pro forma monthly rent minus all the debt service and expenses equal positive cash flow. This is just a projection. Look at all the, look, brand new, located in very good neighborhood. You can strong rental market, you can high quality tenant. What can you ask for? Even there's a nice cookie cutter home that your renter will enjoy renting from you because it's brand new, located in a very good area, fast growing boomtown, Mabank, Texas. The population is very low for right now, a little bit more than 7,000. Look at the increases, like a just acceleration, percentage increase, just all these metrics. See, look at these numbers. Mabank, a charming lakeside community. Read it on your own. Mabank is not in North Texas, it's in south of DFW. Look, we have investment opportunities all over the suburbs of DFW, but mainly in North Texas. Some in South Dallas, some are south of the DFW, some are east and some are west, but mainly in North Texas. This is Mabank. All the new developments, everything's new coming in, new retail store, new high school, new school district, new colleges, new grocery store. It's just mind-boggling. It's only 45 minutes from Dallas. Maybank's right here, like a southeast of the major metro of DFW, but it's very close to McKinney and Rockwell, and all the suburbs are growing so much. By the way, Maybank is located in Kaufman County, fastest growing county in the U.S. Oh, wait, this is mind-boggling. Read this article on your own. Well, it's right here, fastest growing county, Kaufman County. You did not know that, did you? Of course not. People from California are moving into Dallas-Fort Worth among the top 5. Just to give you some perspective, people from the Bay Area, actually, I just found this article. This could be your blueprint for your financial freedom. This 2 to 6 whole strategy where you buy a property somewhere in North Texas, you buy 1 or more property, hold it for 2 to 6 years, sell it, do 1031, and leverage into more properties. So we're servicing more than 1,000 investors from all over the country, all over the world that increasingly are coming into this market. But on a monthly basis, we only have about 50 deals, off-market listings available for our network investors, and they're coming very fast. We have 20 plus builders we work with in the local area. 20 plus national and local builders. We have exclusive relationship with those builders no one else has. They are not available to the public. We have in-house investment lenders that will provide you with those incentive mortgages. Builder rate buy down, 5.75% loans. Oh, too much. Read this numerical formula. That's how you leverage. Use equity appreciation to cash out refinancing next few years to buy more properties. So just digest this. This is not a rocket scientist. You can learn this type of simple numerical formulas. So you buy this cookie cutter, low cost homes in the best neighborhoods, best location. That's how you scale your portfolio over time. It sounds like an Albert Einstein school of real estate. No, it's not that complicated, real estate investing. It's especially when you work with us, we will hold your hands the entire way, not only during the transaction phase, but long-term wise, we will hold your hands because we've been doing this for a long time. But you have to have a right mindset. You have focus, show discipline, show commitment, have a positive attitude in order to systematically scale your portfolio one at a time. So over the next 10, 20, 30 years, there's no limit how many property you can buy, all leveraging, using the equity of your properties to buy more properties. It's that simple. None of your money. Cash out refinance is tax-free, by the way. So at the end of the day, hey, you use this investment model that I'm showing you. Does not matter how many property you own. All you need to spend is 1 to 2 hours per month in managing your portfolio, because we have a team to do everything for you. Look at this amazing process we have with hand holding. We have the team on the ground to do everything for you. So we have a one-stop shop, everything exclusive, off market, or working hard for you, so we can work as a team to achieve your long-term goals. By investing in rental properties that can operate without your constant direct involvement, you can create a steady stream of income that flows into your life even while you sleep. This liberating approach allows you to reclaim your time and energy to focus on what matters most to you and your family. Home prices, long-term investing, with the one small exception of the housing crash, have increased in value for the past 100 years. Only one small downturn. The biggest opportunities always come from being early. You got to get in. No hesitation, no procrastination. But because this opportunity closes very quickly. Warren Buffett said, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. You need to be greedy. You need to become a capitalist. Take action. Because so many people are fearful, you can take advantage of this lack of competition so you can get some good deals. Great deals, not good deals. I'm giving you some amazing deals. There's no other investment strategies. They're better than this. Again, each week we only have limited listings. I have established a VIP list of buyers, a small VIP list of buyers. When a deal is released by one of our local builders, they will go fast, even before this marketing newsletter goes out to my database. So why? Because demand is greater than supply. So you have three options. Do nothing, stay in financial mediocrity. 2, do something on your own, DIY, do it yourself. Do your own research, due diligence. It may take you weeks, months, years, or even decades. Also known as analysis paralysis. Work with us. Number 3, that's the best option. Don't you agree? If that's the case, contact me for a 15-minute complimentary consultation. After consultation, if it's the right fit, I'll go over the fees. If you are the right fit, I pre-screen my prospective clients very closely. If it's the right fit, I will go over my fees and services working with me. And here's my contact information. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and comment below. And also, better yet, put your email into my email newsletters in the body of this description, so you become a free member of our investment community with the Ye Real Estate Network. We've been doing this for several decades. That's all I have to say. Thank you so much and for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.